Assam University Diphu campus celebrates its glorious 16th Foundation Day at Assam University Diphu campus on 18 July 2022. Assam University Diphu campus AUDC successfully celebrated its 16th Foundation Day on 18 July at its premises. The program was started from 11 a.m. by giving a traditional welcome to all the guests for the program. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, was made as the chief guest of the program, and Padmashri Dhaneswar Ingti Longsing Theron, Chairman KLDB KAAC, were made as the distinguished guests on the 16th AUDC Foundation Day celebration. On this auspicious occasion, an open-air stage, auditorium, and 100-bedded Khorsing Terang Boys Hostel were inaugurated by the chief guests of the event. The welcoming speech was given by Professor Siwasis Biswas, Pro-Vice Chancellor of AUDC, and Professor Rajiv Mohan Pant, Vice Chancellor of Assam University Silchar, briefed a short speech on the establishment and joyous celebration of 16th Foundation Day. The chief guest of the event, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while delivering his speech, says Karbi Anglong has only one educational institute to pursue higher studies, for example, post-graduation and PhD courses, and that is none other than the Assam University Diphu campus. And notably, it is the most popular educational institute in Karbi Anglong district. KAAC is also committed to upgrade AUDC into a full-fledged university very soon. So far, the land allotted for AUDC was 400 bighas, but now the authority of KAAC had expanded the allotment of land from 400 bighas to 3,000 bighas of land reserved for full-fledged university. Now let us hear from the Vice Chancellor of Assam University Silchar, Professor Rajiv Mohan Pant, regarding the upgradation and extension of departments and academic blocks at Diphu campus.
The program was one very major step. Our boys and girls have been suffering tremendously. Poor boys and girls coming from the districts of Karbi Anglong. Diphu is rich. Diphu is basically rich. But those poor boys and girls, they have to stay in paying guests, sometimes as relatives in somebody's house. So for them, for the first time, we have been able to produce a hostel. And the other one, the girls' hostel, is going to start now. So two hostels would give some support. It is not enough, but it is going to give some support. And apart from that, I may extend something that two departments, you know, the Department of Life Science, you must have seen the big Department of Life Science and Physics. The second story is being built. Vertical extension, one floor extra is being built. Now, two departments, anthropology and geography, they are actually just giving some rooms in the physics department and life science, like refugee. So once that upper floor is made, they would shift there. They would have their own space.
Word of thanks was delivered by Professor Arup Kumar Dey, and the program was celebrated successfully with joy. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.